In this video, we will compare Acorns versus Robinhood. Acorns is a user-friendly investing app designed primarily for beginners or for those looking for an automated approach to investing. It helps users invest by rounding up their daily purchases to the nearest dollar, investing the spare change into a diverse portfolio. The round-up method makes it easy for people to invest a small amount regularly with not much effort or planning. Acorn offers several accounting types, including individual investment accounts, IRAs, and even checking accounts with debit cards. It's easy to use as one of its strongest features, allowing users to set up recurring investments, automatic savings, and diversifying their portfolio without having to actively trade stocks. The app also provides financial advice and educational resources for many users looking to grow their knowledge. However, Acorns does charge a monthly fee, ranging from $3 to $5 depending on the plan that you pick, which some users may find a bit expensive for the features that it offers, particularly for those just starting to invest. While Acorn excels in automation and simplicity, it does not provide control over individual stock trading and more active stocks investors. Robinhood, on the other hand, is a commission-free trading platform that offers a more hands-on approach to investing. Unlike Acorn, with automated investment process, Robinhood allows users to buy and sell stocks individually, ETFs and even cryptocurrency, providing access to a wider range of assets. The app is designed for both beginners and experienced investors, providing an intuitive interface to make trades and track performance and even manage investment. Robinhood also has a real-time market data, customizable watch list and news updates, which are crucial for many investors who want to monitor the markets very closely and make informed decisions. While the platform is free for most trades, Robinhood offers premium services. Robinhood Gold, which is its membership, costs $5 per month and provides access to margin trading, professional research, and additional features like extended trading hours. One of its key drawbacks of Robinhood is the lack of traditional investment guidance or retirement account option. It makes it less appealing for those looking for a long-term investment strategy or automated savings. Additionally, Robinhood receives criticism for low and slow customer support, especially during periods of market volatility. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.